I love SLP coin because my brother SLP will give me an every month very good profit. So therefore I love this coin and absolutely I will recommend for all of you my brothers to SLP, one of the good option to you invest now. So kindly my brother, in this video I will predicate this coin, I will share opinion, everything my friends is very important for all SLP holders. So you need to must watch this video completely and be safe from the loss and every month get a profit. But first of all my friend, we need to check out the SLP update to what's going on this time in SLP. So in SLP you can see here the price this time 0.2 USD dollar and the rank is 262 my brother. It's a very good position my brother. I hope they will hit now 200 and 100 and top 10. They will come in and top 10 my friend and very fast now. So this time the chain occurring last 1 hour very good, last 1 day very good, but in last 7 days minus 23.91% their loss. So this the main reason my friends. So this is the start of month and every month every coin my friend will fails down in the first week of every month. So therefore SLP will also fails down, but please don't see my friend, this is short fails. I hope my brother they will again moving upward. In last month my brother, especially in the start of month they will completely moving upward, but definitely at the mid of month they will fails down, but in last 10 days they will again moving upward. So therefore my brother, this coin will absolutely plus 38% my friends get a profit and the price come to 0.39 USD dollar. Oh my goodness, it's a very huge target now. They already hit now, but I hope my brother again they will hit now 0.5 USD dollar in this month. So this is the very high task, but let's see my brothers to what they do, because I love the speed of SLP coin. So therefore my brother, I trust my brother, I expect this from SLP. They will give me my brothers just in only in very short time, in 1 month, just in only half USD dollar. Let's see holder to what they do, but we need my brothers to hold and we need my brothers to invest for a short time. So thanks for watching holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative and urgent updates videos.